I was just sent this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. Now, I've got a lot of jewelry that gets really dirty because I'm always out doing stuff. So this is going to be fantastic just to throw it in there and go do whatever else I want to do and have it clean it all up for me. Now this is really neat. It does have a nice plug that you actually just plug right into the side of it and it kicks it on. And it is a huge capacity. You've got 650 milliliters in here with 49,000 hertz of high frequency waves. That is going to be amazing. It's just going to get all this dirt and everything out of my rings. So I've already put some water in here with just a little bit of soap. Now I'm going to bring you in here close so we can take a look at this nice screen and we'll get my rings in there and then we will test it out. So here this is up close. You've got a nice little kind of opaque top here so you can still see in there. And I've, like I said, filled this up with water already. But you have your power button here. You have 3, 6, and 12 minutes. So you can clean a variety of different things in here, whether it's dentures, jewelry, whatever you're wanting to put in here, glasses, things like that. I'm just gonna throw my rings in there and then turn it on. And we'll just do the 3-minute setting and let it go. Let it do its thing. Now this just got done cleaning, so we're gonna get that out. And that is beautiful and shiny in this nice stainless steel case. They do also give you this little cleaning cloth so you can then dry it up, get it polished up, and man, that is a sparkly, beautiful ring now. Wash that up, and I didn't have to do anything, and you can actually see all that stuff floating around in there that it just like vibrated out of my rings. So that's super gross. And I didn't have to do anything. So there's this one. Looks beautiful. This is a nice ultrasonic ring cleaner. It's effortless to use and it does a great job.